Sinopharm vaccine, the Chinese vaccine, as it is mentioned here in Hungary, is based on the inactivation technology. We have a lot of experience with this type of vaccine, and it is very good and very potent immunization method, the use of the inactivated vaccines. What is more, it is very safe. Safety is the number one expectation of the public. So I think that the inactivated vaccines are very safe and very potent. I think that the number of the Sinopharm vaccine imported by Hungary is very high, and therefore this vaccine will play a significant role in the fight against the epidemic.